Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a DIY photo frame. Let's start by gathering your materials. You will need sturdy cardboard, a sharp craft knife, and a reliable ruler for precise cuts. Don't forget your chosen photograph, perhaps a cherished memory measuring 4 by 6 inches or larger. Finally, select your decorative elements like colorful paints, interesting fabrics, or even natural items to personalize your creation. Now let's construct the frame itself. Begin by cutting 2 identical pieces of cardboard, each measuring 8 by 10 inches. On one piece, carefully cut out a rectangular window opening, ensuring a consistent 1-inch border around all sides. This will be the front of your frame. Apply a strong adhesive, like craft glue, along 3 edges of the back piece. Then, carefully align and press the front piece onto it, leaving one side open to create a pocket for your picture. This is where your creativity truly shines. You can paint your frame with vibrant acrylic colors, letting each layer dry thoroughly before adding more. Alternatively, glue on interesting fabric scraps or decorative paper for a unique texture. Don't hesitate to attach small embellishments such as shiny buttons, colorful beads, or even delicate dried flowers. For added durability and a polished look, consider applying a clear protective sealant. Make it truly yours. You're almost done. Carefully slide your cherished photograph into the open pocket of your beautifully decorated frame. To display your masterpiece, you can attach a simple cardboard stand to the back or create a hanging loop using sturdy string. Ensure your photo is perfectly centered and the frame is stable. Now, find the perfect spot in your home or office to proudly showcase your unique, handmade photo frame. Enjoy your personalized creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.